So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll make a fruit snack which is known as cheese chili toast. And this snack can be prepared in 5 to 10 minutes and the taste is very good. So let's start. First of all, you have to add some capsicum, then some coriander, then green chilies. You can use red chilies also, and you can also use yellow capsicum or red capsicum. Then add the garlic. After you add the garlic, then add some butter. Okay, and then add the cheese. Then after you add the cheese, add some oregano and chili flakes. And then just mix it well. Now we will prepare it by doing two methods, one on doing the tawa and second doing in the oven. So first of all we will do it in the oven. So we will just take some of the mixture and just roll it over. We will just do it with the hand only. We'll apply it in the second one. And you can use the blades which are borders also, so it is not a point that you cannot use. and we will grate some cheese on the top, some only, otherwise it will just come out of the borders. Okay, so we will bake in at oven, preheat the oven and just bake it for 2 minutes. I have done it in the cafeteria mode, so now we will bake it and then see it. So now we will bake it for 1.5 minutes. So now let's start it. So now I will give you the tawa method. First let us see this one. So now it has been made and let us see how it is. Okay. So now we'll just add some chili flakes. It will be not more spicy. Okay, so now you can see this. It is from oven and now we'll do it in the tawa. So in the tawa one, it is very good and it will be very crispy rather than in the oven. And in oven it will not be crispy, but it is very good to eat. Please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.